Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into a unique and stylish accessory for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, the dagaladoo Shine Through Keycap Set in the black topographic design. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard aesthetics and functionality, this might just catch your eye. This keycap set stands out because it combines two advanced manufacturing techniques: thermal sublimation and double-shot molding. This combination allows for highly detailed, durable legends that not only look crisp but also allow the RGB lighting underneath your keys to shine through beautifully. The side printing technique is especially interesting, as it directs the light sideways rather than upwards, reducing glare and providing a sleek lighting effect that enhances your typing experience without distracting your vision. Crafted from PBT material, these keycaps are designed to last longer and maintain a textured feel that resists shine and oil buildup. Compared to the more common ABS keycaps, PBT is known for its durability and a matte surface that feels comfortable during extended use. The dagaladoo set includes 136 keys, making it compatible with a wide range of keyboard sizes including 60%, 65%, 75%, 80%, 96%, and even full-size layouts. This versatility makes it a great option whether you're using a compact setup or a full keyboard. The black topographic theme is both minimalist and luxurious. Instead of the typical white lines you see on many topographic designs, this set features elegant gold lines on a black base. The effect is subtle but sophisticated, giving your keyboard a fresh and premium look that's not too flashy but definitely eye-catching. Another thoughtful design element is the cherry profile of these keycaps. This profile is ergonomic, meaning it's shaped to reduce finger fatigue over long typing sessions. This makes it not just a visual upgrade, but a practical one for everyday use. Whether you're gaming, programming, or just typing away, the cherry profile can improve your comfort and typing accuracy. Since these keycaps are designed with backlit keyboards in mind, they work best with keyboards that have south-facing LEDs. This means the light is positioned to shine through the side prints effectively, creating that cool glow effect without overpowering your eyes. Installation is straightforward, and because the set covers so many keys, it's suitable for both standard and custom layouts. Plus, if you have a hot swap mechanical keyboard, swapping out keycaps like these is an easy way to personalize your setup without needing to replace the entire keyboard. Overall, the dagaladoo Shine Through Black Topographic Keycap Set offers a stylish, durable, and comfortable option for anyone looking to enhance their mechanical keyboard. It's a combination of advanced manufacturing techniques, quality materials, and thoughtful design that works for a variety of keyboard layouts and lighting setups. If you want to elevate the look and feel of your keyboard while adding a unique lighting effect, this keycap set is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's Product Scout review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.